welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make some lunch for my little baby Nancy Pants, but actually she is not real. These are all not real, but it's just pretend. Okay, the materials are, these are fruits and vegetables, just pretend. Salt and pepper, pretend oil, this little bowl and a spoon, and some ranch dressing thing. Oops. And then a big bowl to make ours. And Nancy Pants is just sitting here waiting for the lunch. So first, gotta go get a little bit of these. 1, 2, this and that. And then now, green, blue, and purple, of course. Yeah, so this is awesome. I love this, but yeah, we need to go. Yep, that's all we are gonna need. Later, we're gonna fry it. So, let's go wash it. It has to be very red. Little in here to wash. And now let me get something real quick. She needs a little of vegetables, so I'm gonna give her a little corn and broccoli. Actually get a plate. These were all washed. Now, who wants to see me fry them? Let's go. Go. Let's see. Plate here. And I'm going to these. Okay, and turn the knob on. And where is this? Okay. Yay, look at those. They are so cool. Okay, maybe that's it. Now let me go get it. This one's already finished. Put it there. Now we have one thing for little Nancy Pants. Now we're going to also fry these. So I'm just going to leave them on the side here. Oil. Put some in first. Go get them. Wow! Woohoo! They are so cool. Did I drop anything? Oh, no. Add some salt and pepper and a little bit more oil. And now add the others. There and there. Now more salt and pepper. And that's it. And you got yours. And now it's just a little of... While we wait for this to cool down a little bit, we're going to get some dressing, ranch. Let me go get some. Come with me. It's just this little button. Just protect food. Okay, we got our little dressing for these two things. And now, time to put it in. Let me turn off the knob and put them inside. It's really ta-da! Look at that. and more. So I am going to give it to Nancy Pants. Hey Nancy Pants, your lunch is ready. Oh, okay. What's that? Oh, it's some fried salad, fruits and vegetable salad. And I gave you a little strawberry, corn, and broccoli. And you can dip it with ranch. I put a little bit in. Oh, okay. So she's going to enjoy her eat it. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, share, and click the bell notifications if you want to see more of my videos. I mean, all of my videos.